Hello, Dr. Danger Mouse here, and today I'm going to show you and review the Peiyu selfie stick tripod with light. So we'll start with unboxing it. Okay. We've got here plastic inserts. And, nicely packaged. There's quite a lot of bits and bobs in here. We obviously have everything else. The main tripod itself, which looks like a weapon, always a good thing. Here we have a micro USB cable. We have a clip. We have something with a screw thread on. I'm sure that's to tighten something, obviously. That's why I'm an engineer, I know these things. And here we have what looks like a light cell and instructions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure it all out and go through it with you. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to assemble the tripod. Don't look at these, utterly useless. So what you need to do is, if you look here on the end, there's a little triangle. Now always hold the tripod here and then just press that to release. Okay? And that will push up the top here. So we pull that up. It's quite stiff. And if you can see at the top there, we have the bit that holds the iPhone. Now that doesn't actually fit an iPhone as it is, so what you have to do is pull it, can you see there, like that, so that the iPhone fits in. I'll fit mine to demonstrate. I won't open the tripod fully because you won't be able to see everything that's going on. So everything's quite stiff on it. There we go. Oh no! I've just activated an emergency call. Cancel. End call. Well, that was close. So once we've done that, we then want to attach the light. Now this is where this small screw bit comes in. Here, you see it's got a little foot there. Okay, so what you do is you get the light and you screw that into the foot, like so. Once that's tight, like that, it then sits, if you can see, in the top here, in there, just like that. And you use this screw to tighten it to the seat there so it doesn't fall out. So that is basically the tripod operation right there. It's quite stiff, the mechanism. It's not bad though, it seems quite firm. We'll go on to the next thing now though. Okay, the next thing we're going to discuss is using this as a selfie stick. So we don't want the tripod bit at the bottom, so we don't press that this time. We hold it at the collar again here, and we pull this out like that. So, and that obviously will turn if you want the phone orientated differently. And here on the handle you can see a button, and that allows you to take the pictures remotely. So we'll be discussing how that works in one moment. Right, so next thing we need to do before we do anything else is just make sure everything's charged. Now we've got these cables here. I've already said one is a micro USB, the other one is a type C there. So what you do is, let's have a look at this one. Okay, the light is a type C, so obviously plug the type C in there and charge that. Now we need to charge the Bluetooth button here, used to take selfies. Now if you look, there is no ports at all on it. And to make it really difficult, what they've done is they've hidden it here. So you've got to get your finger under the bottom, just pull it out there like that, the Bluetooth button. And if you see there, there's a micro USB port. So you do exactly the same with that. You just plug it in like that, and the other end goes into a USB. So that's quite simple. Now there's one other part I haven't discussed, and it's this one. And that is basically what you use that for. It's nothing to do with the tripod or selfie stick at all. It's just an additional function. So what you can do is you can screw it into the light like that, not when it's charging obviously, and clip it onto your computer so that when you're doing Zoom calls and whatever, you're all lit up and looking lovely and bright. So there we are with those things there. I'll get these charged up and then I will do a demo of it. I mean, I must have reviewed about 100 of these on Amazon, and I came to the conclusion this was probably the best value for money in terms of the functionality, and basically had good reviews for solidity as well. It's quite a solid piece, so yeah, I'll get that done and then I'll do a demo for you, because I'm very kind like that. Okay, so we've charged these now, and basically this one, the light, it has 4 green blobs here, and when all 4 are lit, you know the item's fully charged. So that's dead straightforward. This one, the button, the Bluetooth button, it's got a little red light here, and when it's fully charged, that red light goes off. So that's where we are now. What we need to do to basically make the selfie stick work is to pair this with my phone. So what you do is you hold down that button there. Can you see this? I do apologise about the camera quality. I'm having to use an older camera to video my newer iPhone. So yeah, press that, hold it, and you should get a green light. There we go, 3 seconds. That means it's in pairing mode. So if I go to my iPhone now, if you can see there, it says Peyu, P-E-Y-O-U. So I want to pair with that. Right. There we go. Pair. Just thinking about it. There we go, connected. So now we should be able to take selfies. I'm going to try that actually to see if it works. Always like to test the theory. So, selfie mode. Here. And don't forget I need to pull this bit out to fit my iPhone in. I need to do that with 2 hands because it is really quite stiff, which is a good thing because it holds it in place. So you don't want to be dropping your phone. This is what it looks like now. So I'm going to press the button. 1 sec. Can you see me there? Done it. So that's worked. It's all set up now. Absolutely perfect. A moment. Now I'm going to talk you through the light. So this is the last bit. We already know how to attach it. Using this bit to go on the top, or this bit to go on a laptop. So I'm going to show you the different settings and what it looks like. So we're back to using my iPhone for recording now, which is infinitely better. So the light, if you look here, you can see 1 switch and 2 dials. and that's on off, that's brightness, and that's the warmth of the light. So let's turn it on. There we go. That's just standard on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the brightness. Can you see? Don't know. It's getting quite bright. And then back down. There we go. And now the warmth. Can you see? It's hard to capture that, but you can see it's more of a yellowy, warmy colour. So that's how that all works. So basically, that's the functionality of it all. So there we have it, the PayU tripod. I actually bought it to make YouTube videos, so I'm trying it out for myself. What I would say is, when I looked at all the other ones on Amazon, this one's got a height of 142 centimetres, which is a lot higher than some, and it's also got a compact size, so it's easy to stick into my rucksack. And when everything's attached and the tripod is its maximum height, it's really sturdy. I mean, you could spend a lot more, I think, and get a better tripod, but this one is $37.99. I think that's good value, actually. And another thing is, many of them don't come with lights of that design, you know, that kind of barrel design. You have to buy them extra, which is like an extra £20. And that's a really decent light to come with the tripod. So all in all, I think I've got myself a good purchase. And if you found this video useful, please do the usual. Press like and subscribe. And thank you for your time.